What if you can add NFTs, crypto wallets, and Web3 payments to your platform without knowing a single line of blockchain code? I'm talking about businesses literally going from zero Web3 knowledge to having fully functioning crypto features in less than a week. Sounds impossible? Well, I'm about to show you exactly how companies are pulling this off and why the traditional way of building Web3 features might be keeping you stuck in the Stone Age. Here's a look at what's happening in the business world right now. You've got entrepreneurs, game developers, and creators who are absolutely buzzing about Web3 opportunities. They see the potential for NFT marketplaces, blockchain gaming, and crypto payments. But here's the brutal reality they're facing. The technical barrier is absolutely crushing. Imagine you're running a successful online business and you decide you want to integrate NFT functionalities. Suddenly you're drowning in a sea of smart contracts, gas fees, wallet integrations, and blockchain protocol. It's like trying to perform brain surgery when all you wanted to do was to give someone an aspirin. Your development team starts researching, and within days, they're overwhelmed. One developer is studying Ethereum documentation, another is trying to figure out Polygon, and someone else is lost in Solana tutorials. Meanwhile, your customers are asking when can they buy the NFTs with their credit cards, and you're explaining why they need to download MetaMask and buy cryptocurrency first. The wallet situation alone is a nightmare. Your average customer doesn't want to manage 12 different passwords, backup phrases, and private keys just to buy digital collectibles. They want the same smooth experience that they get on Amazon and Netflix. Click, buy, done. But traditional Web3 focuses on this complicated dance that sends customers running for the hills. And don't even get me started on the compliance headaches. Every country has a different regulation. Some places love crypto and others banned it completely. You're constantly worried about accidentally breaking laws you didn't even know exist. Your legal team is having anxiety attacks, and your insurance companies is asking those uncomfortable questions. Here's what really stings though. While you're stuck in this technical quicksand, your competitors are moving forward. Some businesses are already generating millions in NFT sales. Gaming companies are creating entire economies around blockchain assets. Content creators are building loyal communities through token gate experiences. You're watching this Web3 revolution happen around you, but you feel completely locked out. It's like everyone's got invited to a party except you. And the invitation was written in a programming language you don't speak. The frustration builds every day. You know Web3 represents the future of digital ownership, community building, and monetization. You can see the potential revenue streams. You understand that early adopters are capturing massive market advantages. But the technical complexity feels like a brick wall that just keeps getting higher. Your team starts throwing around numbers for custom blockchain development, six-figure minimums, months of development time, and no guarantee it'll work properly. No promises that the customers will actually use it. You're basically betting your company's future on a technology that feels more alien than innovative. That's exactly where Venly comes into the picture. And honestly, it's like someone finally turned the lights on in a dark room. Think of Venly as your Web3 translator. All that complicated blockchain stuff, that was just making your head spin. Venly handles it behind the scenes so you can focus on what you do best, which is running your actual business. Here's how this works in the real world. Instead of forcing your customers to create complicated crypto wallets, Venly lets them log in with their Google or Facebook account. Boom, done. They're instantly connected to the Web3 without even realizing it. No more explaining private keys or backup phrases. No more watching potential customers bail out during the wallet setup process. The NFT situation becomes ridiculously simple too. Venly's API lets you mint NFTs across multiple blockchains with basically the same effort it takes to upload a photo. Your development team doesn't need to become blockchain experts. They just need to use Venly's tool like they would use any other software services. But here's where it gets really interesting. Remember how customers couldn't buy NFTs with regular payment methods? Venly solves that completely. Your customers can purchase NFTs and crypto assets with their credit card, debit card, or even PayPal. It's global, it's smooth, and it feels familiar to them. Transformation is honestly sick also. Before Venly, you had confused customers abandoning their carts because the checkout process felt like rocket science. After implementing Venly, those same customers are buying NFTs as easily as they purchased a movie ticket online. I've seen businesses go from zero Web3 presence to processing thousands of blockchain transactions per day. Game developers who were terrified of smart contracts are now running entire virtual economies. E-commerce brands that couldn't spell cryptocurrency are generating substantial revenue from NFT drops. The security concerns that were keeping executives awake at night, Venly handles compliance with SOC 2, ISO, and GDPR standards. They've already done the heavy lifting on regulatory requirements, so you don't have to navigate the legal minefields alone. Major companies are already proving this works. The Sandbox uses Venly for their gaming ecosystem. Aavegotchi relies on them for their NFT management. Highland Titles processes real estate NFTs through their platform. These aren't small experiments. These are full-scale business operations generating real revenue. The credibility factor is huge here. When you're dealing with people's money and digital assets, trust becomes everything. Venly has processed millions of transactions and maintained rock-solid security throughout. They're not some fly-by-night startup. They're a battle-tested platform that enterprise clients depend on daily. Now let me give you something you can actually do today to test this out. Head over to Venly and grab their free 14-day trial. No credit card required, no long-term commitments. Start with their wallet widget, which is completely free for up to 10,000 users. Set it up on a test site and watch how smoothly the user experience becomes. Then use their minting tool to create a simple NFT. It takes literally minutes, not months. And here's the fun part. Get one of your friends or family member to have them buy your test NFT using their credit card. Watch their faces when they realize they just purchased blockchain assets without downloading special software or buying cryptocurrency first. That moment of realization is when you'll understand why this changes everything. The documentation is crystal clear. The support team actually responds quickly, and the whole process feels like it was designed by people who understand that business owners need solutions, not more complexity. Stop letting technical barriers block your Web3 future. Every day you wait is another day your competitors gain ground in this new digital economy. Go to Venly.io right now, click that Start Building Free button, and take your business from being stuck in Web 2 to absolutely thriving in Web 3. Your customers are ready for that evolution. The question is, are you ready to lead them there?